Hi everyone, I'm doing a video on my code solution that I've been working on for some time now. I've done some past videos, been trying to optimize it, and in this video I actually added a kind of little component here. I call it the Tinker Minter Die Extractor. Um, what a name, eh? I like the name actually. It's a test version. Okay. It's slowly being hooked up to the graphs. Right now, like I have a percentage move hooked up to the lines. Like I got like four mock tokens. They're not real. They're just like a measurement kind of uh, with a max supply and an investment unit. So let's say like if I keep buying and I bought like 10 grand or of die with or 1,000, well my units would they just keep climbing. It's so if I bought like it would go it's 50 cents, it's half, right? So if I bought like 20,000 of them, they're $1. But basically, I would believe that if I bought this amount, that means like the max supply would be uh, limited, right? So if I bought them all and there's only like one left, well, the last one would probably cost like a big amount. But those are just like this is just like it's not like a full blown official trustworthy kind of I'm going to invest a few $1 million here. No, we're tinkering here. I hope everyone understands that and that advisory, no financial advisory. I'm good at making black, right? But it's good. The projects that we could build around decentralized networks. So I'm trying to sort of mock up a token maker, and that could sort of pair up, because decentralized networks, we can pair tokens pretty easy with Uniswap and SushiSwap and all the new blockchains that are coming up. Um, I got one in my head like Matic or Polygon or and uh, and Jitcoin. I don't know what they're doing, but I think they're going to be they're pretty active too behind the scenes and stuff like that. But yeah, so right now my projects, like I'm just hooking it up slowly. Um, and I got the brain doing its job behind the scenes. I'm analyzing lines, seeing if I can create triggers and to help me position these mock tokens. Like move them around, like as a testing ground. Move some tokens like within the application to see results, measurements, so that I could build a script and actually work directly with a smart contract. But before I do that, this is my testing ground, my blackboard that I'm trying to build so that risk management could be at the front of the work here. If people understand me correctly here, what I'm trying to do. But yeah, and It's not like I see so much things that there's things that I want to do yet, and I'm still learning React and Redux, how to hook things up and stuff like that. So I'm having fun. I'm having fun, and I'm sharing this with you all. I hope that this fires up things for your projects, and that like I'm doing mine. Yay! It's time for you guys to do yours, right? Or something like that. Trying to be a good sportsman in the YouTube world. All right. So that being said, uh, and not to waste too much YouTube time, I said what I basically had to say. Maybe I could just like do a pit stop in the code here. I always like to show off the fact that imagine if I could see this hookup here. Axial is where I get the BTC assets and values, and it's public, right? So uh, you don't need an account for this. This is public information, and as easy as you can change like Ether, Cardona, Dogecoin, USD, Bitcoin. I think that even they have Wrap Ether, maybe. I'd have to check. I should do some testing for Wrap Ether. I like that. Um, Obviously, I have to change a few. Like I'm pretty set up here. Well, I got to normalize the data, right? 50,000. Um, I gotta. I normalize the data on the way in and on the way out. So I multiply it on the way in and divide it on the way out. So I get. So if it was Ether, then I would have to normalize it with 4 digits. It's in the 3,000, right? So if you're with Dogecoin or whatever, yeah, if you get the idea of the normalizing. It's true that I'm just crash course running through this too fast for beginners. What normalizing is all about, but just remember as a beginner, the word normalizing is something uh, brain.js or any kind of artificial intelligence has to do. You got to normalize data no matter what. It thinks better between 0 and 1. So, yeah. Okay, that being said, see you guys on the flip side, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. And am I looking for some thumbs up? I'm not sure yet. I just enjoying once in a while showing my face and showing that I'm active, and my Discord is always open. All right. See ya. Ciao.